Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hack YouTube channel. So probably you heard about Clubhouse, which is one of the top real-time audio chat apps. And there is another app, Livehouse, which is becoming more popular and it's having top spots in the App Store charts. So really exciting to do a review for this app. Um, so go check it out. Basically, the app is about communicating via audio, creating groups, creating audio stories, and just organizing in these real-time audio chat groups, and then probably joining the game or playing Fortnite together or playing Among Us together. So something about that. That's the idea of the app, and it's becoming more and more popular among Generation Z. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, so every subscription will be super appreciated. Also visit my website mrhack.io and check out my podcast about cool apps. So this is one of the cool apps. It's called Livehouse Make Friends Fast. It's in the top charts in the social networking category, as you can see here. And yeah, what's that about? So the app is trending, and it's a kind of audio chat app where you can not just audio chat, but you can create groups, you can record your own voice, you can create stories, but everything is with audio. So probably you heard something about Clubhouse, which is the top audio chat app, I think, at the moment. Uh, and Livehouse is just one of the variations what you can do with audio. So let's just check it out. So here is the app. Here is just your home tab, which is basically your the chat. If you want to create, just tap in top left, and then you have three options. Either new Livehouse story. So that's basically your story, but story is the voice which you can add. New Livehouse, which is basically an audio group, and new live voice, which is basically short voice message which will appear in your feed. Also from this home tab, you can just search for some people, and then you can just follow someone. If you follow someone, then basically that's how you add them to a friend, and then you can just message, and then you can also block and report. So all the standard stuff here. And also on the person profile, you will be able to see the credit score, how active you are, and yeah, so this just reflects how active you are, and probably you'll get some perks if you're just using the app frequently. Yeah, of course you can add your contact book to this app if you want. In top right, you can also see all the activity, and yeah, you can post stories to get more friends.
I guess you could say it like that.
Then in the second tab, like friends, basically there is a feed of all the live score groups. So these are just like, live house groups. So these are all the groups where people just chatting about different topics. So let's just explore them.
Don't be shy.
So here you can see that. So this is how the room looks like. I just show you an example. And yeah, sometimes there are a few people, there are many people, depending
Like
on
a
who you are following and stuff.
gave me.
And then in the top part, you can just see all these different tags, so you can just filter out by different topics, different games. Maybe some people are just organizing to play some games and stuff like that, so you can just join them, become friends with them, and yeah, then just play games together. So this is your profile. So your profile tab is in the bottom right corner. You can edit your profile, just add profile picture, add some introduction, some personal info. Then you can add links to your social platforms like Roblox, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. Then you can also invite people. Yeah, once your friend registers successfully, you will get 10 credit score in the next hour. So yeah, you can invite people via Facebook, Snapchat, or just copy a link. Then in top right there are also like settings where you can edit your notifications, you can read more, you can clear cache, and there is also like feedback. So I think you can also find some tutorials here. But for example, if you want to delete your account, I think you can write here, because there is no option to delete account right from the Livehouse app. So that would be the option to do it. Also, you can log out in the bottom. Yeah, so that's that basically. Then there is this app which is basically stories. So all the people are just posting all these stories, and you can also post that, and then you will be discovered in the feed, and you'll get more friends and stuff like that. Again, yeah, in the bottom you can just tap plus, and from here you can create the story like this just by uploading photos. If you want to create your own Livehouse group, you can do it again from the bottom. You can just upload photo, add group name, group tag, select either you want a private group, it means or people can only join with your invitation, or public group. And you can also record a live voice here, which is a short audio message. So that's basically the idea of the app. And yeah, you can easily follow someone, you can message, you can become friends, and all of that. So that's the idea of the app here. So hope this quick overview was helpful for you guys. Feel free to like this video. It will be super helpful if you just can quickly like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to reach 50 or 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's the big aim. So every subscription will bring you big pluses to your karma. Also check out my website mrhack.io. You can sign up for a newsletter there, and check out my podcast Mr. Hack on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. I create some cool content about amazing apps and software. So for example, like this app. So maybe if you watch this video, you might check out this app. You might enjoy it, find some new friends there, or in other apps just improve your productivity and stuff like that. So that's my channel is all about that, just to helping you, educating you to find new cool apps and improving your life, and yeah, making it easier or just more entertaining. So that's that. Hope I will see you in the future videos, and yeah, thanks for watching again.